Hi, hello, welcome to this video. So in the video பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து cantilever construction வந்து எப்படி நாங்கள் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதை பற்றி நம்ம ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் பார்க்க போகிறோம் இந்த வீடியோவில். So we are going to see how we made this cantilever construction and what are difficulties we have faced in this project. We are going to see the step by step process. This is the first thing is base plate installation. The main thing is first we have to place this base plate, because everything in this building is a bollard system. Why we have to go with the bollard system is because of this bollard system. When we have EC, we can transport our whole project to another site, because this project is an LNT bypass. It is a rental agreement for 10 years. So what we decided is this whole building should be in structural building, and main thing is it should be in bollard. So what happens when we change our site, we just remove the bolt and we can transport the whole metal building to another site by using the same engineering team. This is Dad, he's looking it. First we started with 3 people, one main welder, another helper with a red cap, he is coming. So this is my daddy, he's a senior welder, he knows how to structure. I am a structural engineer, so we know how to do, what to not to do. So we did this project only because of the name. The name is most important in this project, because this is once in a project like this, a cantilever structure. It is something good. It is feels good. So that is why we choose this project. We never consider about money. We just work for a passion in this work. So only we take each and every seconds of work we have done. So while editing this video, it is around a 2 hours video. So what I made is I made around 21 minutes. I think it is bored to you, so only I am adding my background voice. So whatever happens, so if I share with you, it might be some interesting. You can watch this video continuously. So this is a third day. What happens is we have placed main columns. So everything we have fixed is everything is in line. So what does mean line is it is in level. So everything we checked. So level A to Z, everything is level. So this project totally we worked with totally 4 people only. We go to site and worked everything inside. Every building is an arc building. We even don't have a current. The people does not give us current also. So what they gave us, the genset they gave us, the genset is very good. It helped us to make the easy work. No power short, no power cut, nothing. It took us to complete 18 days. So this is civil construction is done by another sir. So he searched in Google and YouTube. My videos came for pre-engineering buildings and structural buildings. So past 6 months I am posting videos like regarding to this. So he got that video. So he just called me. So come Amir, we can do, join, come and do with us. I said him, sir, okay, no problem, sir. But I will take video because it is my rights. I will take video. He said, okay, you just take what you have work done. So take that is enough. Finishing video is not allowed for you. Then my civil video is not allowed for you. So just you have to take what you have working is done. Just you have to take that video. I said, I just think about it. So what I think is okay. Our work, I am taking it. He told me not to mention any location of the site. So okay sir, no problem. If my client asks means, if they call and ask means, I just say by phone where I did it, so they can go and check the site. Then they will give us orders. And also while doing this project, I have many cantilever projects ideas. We have studied a lot. So daily we have studied a lot of things for this cantilever construction, what to do in case of another projects, what have to do it. So what difference can we show in this, because the thing is that the same construction process will not be appealed to another one. we have to show some difference in each and every buildings. So we have to know an A to Z in cantilever construction. So we studied a lot. The welder you have worked with him, you can see in this video a white color shirt. He's welding here and there. Ayyappan sir his name is. So he's a 26 years old experienced guy in Dubai. He knows everything. So we have talked a lot more in our rooms. We have discussed many things in our room. So every process, step by step process we have. We have a process. We have a lot of speak on it, and we have moved into it. So it is around 5th to 6th day, I think. So material everything is going to be finished. I am just viewing it in camera at the backside of the hotel. So everything came good. So there's 3 people and me, just 4 people. Sometimes the civil people will help us to take main big beams like that. It's just a funny clip I edited for Instagram, so just posted for you to make it good. So these people are discussing now. These people are the owner of the site. They are here is a big restaurant is coming. So they are discussing about how to plan it, what to do like that. So everything came. Finally we have to go with 1, 2, 3 sections completed. 4th and 5th sections are there. So suddenly what happened that day, engineer came and asked us, what happened Amirji, you said me you will complete within 15 days, but what happened now, it has been 10 days happened, just 5 days to more. So what will you do? I said, sir, no problem, we will finish it, so just wait for it. Same day material is khatam ho gaya, over ho gaya. So it is over. Again I said, sir, don't late, because if you give money only I can purchase the material, only the work will be start. So please transfer money as soon as possible. Okay, he transferred in evening. Morning again the material came, then started the staircase work. The staircase also in a steel staircase. After the finishing, the staircase will be look beautiful, because if you've seen this 10 mm rod and the L angle, so both the side, this is filled by concrete, and overall it will cover up with granite stones, and handle will come in MS. In going in 2 to 3 minutes you can see this our metal structure handles everything. This is the biggest platform. Totally we have stairs. This is the main thing came. This is cantilever structure came for the 10 feet. We made it for this 10 feet. So cantilever structure, what we planned is from down of this from downside we have planned it. After making this a whole small building, after using the help of the crane, I can take it and fixing the whole overall building. It will be good. So what happens, next day I have to buy the digging sheet. So I need to move here. But so what plan we have, we called another welder. Totally 4 people came. So what we planned is, while making down itself the whole whole cantilever, we made it. Its total width is 14 feet and its length is 10 feet. We made from down itself. After made it, what we planned is, we have to, by helping the crane, we have to take it and just give full welding. This is enough. After that we have put a digging sheet. So another day morning, I am not there. I gave the camera to Chotu. He made a great work. Chotu is that helper man. He is very good boy. He is from Assam. He is like our brother. Every people who are working with us are like a family people. We work together, we eat together, everything is together like a family. If we take a work, means we will complete and move on to another work. Before that we will not take any other work, because it takes passion in it. This is learning also there, passion also there, and also our name, the Tirupur Engineering Works. This is a name, this is a brand. I am building it. The main thing is, people need to trust us. Whenever they call us, their face will be full of smile, because we go there and we make their homes beautiful, we make their office beautiful, we make their buildings so good at the correct time. and the correct price, and they are very much happy. After our work, they people behave like a friend. So everyone came, so everyone taking videos. This video is taken by DSLR camera. So why we are not using our phone, mobile phone, means it is drain charge very quickly. By using the camera, what happens, it has more battery capacity, so it is very easy to use it for. So see, we have taken the crane, it has been took, so nicely placed, nicely fitted. Again, what we have to do is just we have to weld it. We need to correct everything, because if anything is wrong, what happens is the whole building will collapse. So main thing is we have to check each and every part of it, and we have to correct it. For guiding them, our senior welder Mr. Ayyappan is there to guiding them, the crane man, how to use the crane, how to correct it. The crane people are supported very good. So main things I forgot to tell is while taking this crane, what the prices we are demand is, I tell to Ayyappan sir that sir, make sure that not to use the crane more time, because money will be wasted. Because it is very passionate project. This is not for money. This is only for the name and good. We can do anything like that. So sir, make sure that. So please make sure that use the crane as soon as possible, and soon finish the work. So what he gave me a promise that Amir, don't worry, I am with you. Just within 1 hour the crane will be used, and it has been overall it will be done my work. While I am talking to Mr. crane holder, he said me, per hour we charge 1500. If another 1 hour it comes, means you have to give me 600, he said. So I said if half an hour increases also, I have to give you pay 600. He said even the 1 minute extend means you have to pay for 600 extra. I said okay, I will pay for you, no problem, I said. But what miracle happens, within 1 hour, before a minute they finish the work. The crane work has been done. So they are very much punctual, they are very much correct. So it is very happy to work with him. So we people also, the customers are full satisfied. I asked to engineer, sir, will you give me this money for this crane? He said, no sir, this is not under my budget, you need to cover for it, he said. I said okay sir, no problem, I will manage for it. 1500 doesn't matter for me, like that I have said. So he said okay, go on with it. So, okay, I have finished my work. So it came very beautiful. So after the finishing the work, I got a call from daddy. So daddy said, beta, work has been done, this came very good, so looks very much good. Every people came, the owner and engineer, every people are very much satisfied. I said very happy daddy, I am on the way. So yesterday I went for digging sheet, purchase of digging sheet, which you have seen in this video. This is a digging sheet. Digging sheet, which means it is a sheet. We have to place the sheet on this beams. After that we have to place some TMT rod, 8mm or 10mm rod, and then we have to place a concrete in it. It is same as concrete ceiling slab, so it will look great after finishing. I will share some videos in it, some photos, some pictures in it, so you can come with the idea with it. So thanks for your transport support, guys. So it is our Jeep Mahindra Commander. Wherever you go, we use this Jeep. So one of the luckiest one, heaviest one, so very powerful engine. Wherever we go, we take it. Even 10 people came also, the Jeep will be fine and good. So next day morning this is, so digging sheet on all placed, and we have to put concrete in it. So stairs works and all clear, everything is finished. We have to, after that cantilever top में So sheet done sakta, so we have to place the sheet. So Ayyappan and another welder came. Now he's from Tiruchi. Ayyappan sir is from Kerala. These people are masons. They helped because that day luckily they have got no work. So engineer sir what it said is okay, take their support and help. They will work for you. So it is very much help. Very thank you, engineer sir. Hope you good. So every single sheet is placed. This comes very good, very nice. Downside everything's fixed. The camera is fully handled by Chotu. So he will not be appear in camera because of he is looking it. Still more dates are there. Again it is starting. These people, this mason people are from Kolkata and Kolkata people. So all are same family people. So engineers are they are working with engineers are almost for 3 years. The same family engineers have almost 3 to 4 sites. These people are working the whole site. So happy moment this is. So this is sharing his happiness while playing a cricket. Sachin will show now after 100th century like that. They are showing it. This is daddy is looking it. So this is a digging sheet. After the digging sheet we have to place a TMT rod crossover cross. So 6 by 6 we have to place the cross. After the 6 by 6 the cross, what happened, we have to put a concrete for the 3 to 4 inch, depends upon the customer and depends upon the building. While putting a concrete you have to give moot down there. Main thing is because what happens is a load will take over full thing. This building occupies concrete around level ton. So level 10 in level 10 there's a half there will be the water load. So what we have to do is we have to give the moot for this strength, and after the 15 days we have to remove the moot, then only the concrete will be set. The stairs came damn good. The design will look very much good. So the stairs is very good. The main thing is while you're entering in this hotel, the stair will attract you more. So while outside of the hotel, the cantilever will attract you more. After you entering this hotel, the stairs, the design will attract you more. I will try to add some photos in it, so you have to got some ideas so how you can make. So if you are going to plan to make some pre-engineering building bakeries, pre-engineering building hotels or commercial buildings or rental apartments or living apartments or even your homes, so no problems, we are here to help you. Why this type of construction is because this type of construction is while doing is it will make you quick process within. You can see this is the whole building. So this length is 60 and the width is 20. Then the top of the cantilever with this 35 into 14. So there's a whole construction. This much of building it took 20 days with the help of just 4 people. So what happens is you can make your construction very faster. So very faster, very good, very stronger. And what happens when you do the rapid construction, it will save your overall cost. So while you saving the overall cost, what happens, so it will be good for doing interior works and everything. So this is the top of the digging sheet. We have to place the concrete. The concrete, it does not belongs to us. The civil engineer take the concrete works and the downside basement work everything. So he will do the concrete work everything. So that is not allowed to take us to video concrete work or finishing glass work. So nothing is to take. Just we have to take our own building what we made. So dad's blue shirt is dad. So Ayyappan sir is there. So helped great. So thank you sir. Thank you so much. So this dad, he is very proud of me. Ayyappan sir said to come here Ayyappanna, give some shots. Yeah, I have spoken something. but in this we have mute on everything because of some cracks. This is what I trying to explain in this. This is a decking sheet, we have to put concrete in it. It curing process will take around 14 days to take around curing process. After that only you have to remove moot. Moot is nothing that for the decking sheet we have to give some support, not to concrete, not to fall in. So that is the main thing I'm trying to explain in this video. So I'm telling in this part is a length and width, the 60 into 30, again 35 into 14. The height of the ceiling is 10 feet. The top of the cantilever construction also, so same like that. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and comment the video. Stay tuned for part 2 video. Love you all. Cheers.